In these first few moments, find a quiet place to sit or lie down. Bring your awareness to the present simply by observing your breath. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. One more, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Good. Settling into your space. In a progressive muscle relaxation exercise, we are going to tense and then release various muscles in our body. Please do not tense to a point of pain or strain. I like to give the metaphor of progressive muscle relaxation exercises being like we're a washcloth, wringing out the water and wringing out for us the stress. So if it feels comfortable for you, please close your eyes. If not, keep your eyes gently open, staring about 3 feet out in front of you. And let's begin. Bring your awareness to your feet. I'm going to count backwards from 5 to 1. And when you reach 1, please let go of the tensing of the muscle that we are focused on. So at our feet now, I want you to point your feet, like in ballet, point your feet, arching the feet. 5, 4, point, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. Good. Again, I want you to point your feet, point them in this moment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. And just breathe into the present moment, perhaps observing how your feet are feeling after tensing and releasing twice. And now I want you to bring awareness to your calves, knees, and thighs. Again, without stress or strain, I want you to press your calves, knees, and thighs together. Press 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. Good. Again, press your calves, knees, and thighs together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. Good. Bring your awareness up to your stomach, your abs. Tense your abs in like your belly button is trying to reach your spine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. Again, tense your stomach, your abs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. Good. Take a deep breath into the nose and out through the mouth. Bringing your awareness now to your shoulder blades. Reaching your shoulder blades so they almost can touch each other. Tensing them back, bringing your shoulders back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. Again, reaching your shoulder blades to each other. No stress, no strain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. Good. And now your arms, upper arms, squeeze them towards your body. Lower arms all the way down to hands. Make your hands into fists and tense your entire arm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. Good. Again, tense your arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release, let go. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Beautiful. shoulders. Bring your shoulders, reach them up towards your earlobes, like shrugging your shoulders very dramatically. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Let your shoulders go. Again, tense your shoulders up to your ears. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Let go. Beautiful. And lastly, your face. Imagine that you've bitten into a lemon, squeezing your face. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Let go. Again, squeezing your face like you've bit into a lemon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Let go. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. And now I want you to tense your entire body. Tense from head all the way to toes. Tense your entire body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Let go. One more. Tense your entire body, wringing out all that is no longer needed in this moment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Let go. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth.